Guys, how to get to the new code.org platform. It's a little tricky, so I'm gonna just make this video for show you what my experience is. I added myself to the classroom, the code.org classroom, under a different email account, so I can show you how to do this. So if I'm just at code.org and I'm gonna sign in, I'll sign in with Google. That should take me to my USF account and get logged in here, and you'll see your dashboard will have changed a little bit. At the top should be CSP Unit 3. We're going to use that for some intro to programming. And if I still needed to do some Express Course stuff, I could access it here. That's the assignments before. So the assignment for this week is lesson 4. And I tried to hide it from the teacher side, lessons 1 through 3. They're not necessary. For whatever reason, it's taking me directly to lesson 1. So what you need to be able to do is click on the more and go to lesson 4. And then from here, you're going to be doing you have the choice, you can do a block coding, but at this point you can also do text-based coding. So we have some new commands that you're going to be able to type directly in. The move forward, turn left, pen up, pen down. There's no turn right. That's sort of the challenge you have to work through. So if you're going through lesson 4, there's a good video that you should definitely watch, because this video explains as well or better than I do what's going on. This for puzzle 3, where you'll be starting off. Remember, today you're just doing puzzles 3, 4, and 5. And there's a couple things I want to point out here. There's the toolbox with the block code, which you can continue using. It'll be similar to the things that you did in the code.org Express course. But this is a little different. You have the choice of switching over from the blocks to, you can click here, show text, and that will allow you to write out your code in text. So if you're a person who's moving on to CS 110, you might want to consider doing this. If this is enough computer science for you for a while, you're welcome to use the blocks, but you should consider trying to challenge yourself to write out the code. It's got predictive text, so it's really easy. Before I do anything, I want to switch the speed up to the rabbit, because otherwise it goes really slow. So if I'm doing this, I might type out move forward, and should be able to use the predictive text, and that worked. And so here in the parentheses, I can actually define how far I want it to move forward. I think there's a built-in amount that will work, but in the future, you'll have to consider actually writing in your own code there. So I want to go move forward again, and I want to turn left, and I don't want to do that. I want to move forward, and I want to turn left, and I want to move forward, and I want to turn left. Alrighty, so let's run that and see what happens. Okay, and is that good enough? That's what I was looking for. So you have some choices. You can keep using the blocks. You can type out your code. I would definitely make it run faster. But just puzzles 3, 4, and 5 for this week. Good luck.